I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the one true backup, your scatter seed phrase or the encrypted export file. Once done, make sure scatter is updated to the latest stable release. This prevents restoration bugs. You should also verify the device where you'll restore, phone or desktop, has secure network access and a fresh OS session. Do not attempt password changes without the seed. Scatter's transaction password can only be reset by restoring keys from that backup, so gather it now and proceed. Now you'll restore your wallet to create a new transaction password. Open Scatter and choose Restore Wallet or Import Backup, then enter the exact seed phrase or upload the encrypted backup file. Watch for correct word order and spaces. One wrong word stops the process. After Scatter accepts the keys, you'll be prompted to set a new wallet password. Pick a unique, strong passphrase and confirm it twice. This new wallet password becomes your transaction password moving forward. Finalize by verifying access. Once restored, test with a low-value transaction or simply query your account balance and permission prompts. If Scatter rejects the backup, recheck the seed phrase for typos and ensure you use the correct backup format and app version. If you still cannot recover, gather your backup metadata, timestamp, file hash, app version, and contact official Scatter support. They can guide safe recovery steps. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.